worried about being pregnant. Your choice.
Are you alright with the candle?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, it's fine. Oh, just don't do any sugar, yeah? I'm sure. Yeah, thank you. Alright, see you then. Yeah, bye. Alright.
It's delicious.